Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best fat tire folding electric bike review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Lanca ZT750 Plus Max Folding Electric Bike. The frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy with a full shock absorber front fork, which provides smooth cushioning and shock absorption when riding on rough terrain. It also has strong power 48-volt 1000-watt high-speed brushless motor. The maximum speed of the motor can reach 40 km per hour. This bike large capacity 14.5 amp-hour lithium battery is very powerful, and the power-assisted cruising range can reach 100 km. This electric bike provide 3 working mode. Pedal assist mode. When you step on the bicycle, the motor will assist you with moderate strength. Full electric mode. Turn the throttle at any power increment you want to power the bicycle motor. Manual mode. Pedal the bicycle normally like any bicycle. This fat tire electric bicycle is equipped with front and rear disc brakes and adopts hydraulic brakes to make the braking effect better. Hydraulic brakes can make the braking effect more linear without a sudden feeling and feel better and more advanced. It also 26 by 4.0 inch fat tire can accommodate any road condition and absorb riding shock. Maximum weight capacity 90 kg. It also 3.5 inch LED display mounted on the handlebar has an independent control unit for smart and clear operation. The display screen ensures visibility at night and displays mileage, speed and battery power. Number 4. Same bike 20LV XD30 folding electric bike. This electric bike 6061 aviation aluminum is characterized by lightness, durability and firmness. It also 48-volt 350-watt permanent magnet DC brushless hub motor. This motor provides the maximum speed 32 km per hour. It also equipped 10 amp-hour lithium battery. With smart lithium battery charger can make you ride up to 30 to 45 km mileage with pure electric mode and 70 km mileage with moped mode. Charge time 4 hours. Easy charge port system. The electric folding bike can be charged on or off the frame easily. This electric bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes and adopts hydraulic brakes to make the braking effect better. Hydraulic brakes can make the braking effect more linear without a sudden feeling and feel better and more advanced. This electric bike provide 3 working mode. Pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, normal bike mode. You can remove the battery to have a standard mountain bike that weighs less than before. This electric bike provide intelligent display provides a digital display that can provide accurate power, speed, and travel distance. It also 20-inch fat tire provide improved grip and traction on the most troublesome terrain, designed to handle sorts of terrain like mountain land, snow, sand, rough trails, etc. Number 3. Vaporwear ZPHT1000 folded electric bike. This ZPAO electric bike frame made high-strength 6061 aluminum alloy. The electric bike with 1000-watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48-volt intelligent brushless controller. It can easily assist you to travel at maximum speed of 40 km per hour. This electric bike powered by 12.8 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. You can reach a range of up to 60 km per charge. Charging time 4 to 6 hours, which makes your electric bike commuting just easier. It also front and rear hydraulic oil disc brakes for reliable all-weather stopping power. Ensure you safe riding at high speed on rainy days or slippery roads. This electric bike provide 3 riding mode. Pure electric mode, by assistant mode, and by yourself. You can choose the pure electric mode to enjoy a relaxing time and also can use it for exercising. It's easy to change power levels by pressing the left button under the display panel according to your needs. This electric bike is equipped with 20 inches 4.0 fat tire, which can adapt to snow, city road, beach, and mountain rides. This electric bike provide LCD display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently. such as speed, battery level, odometer. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. Number 2. Chang Milo MX-21 Folding Electric Bike. This electric bike frame made aluminum alloy, light, strong, and designed to last, makes it easy to maneuver. It also 5,000 watt brushless motor. Strong power will add fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 40 km per hour. It also large capacity 48 volt 12.8 amp hour built-in lithium battery. Charging time 6 to 8 hours. It can maximum range 40 km pure electric mode and 80 km by pedal assist mode, which has been developed specifically for long-distance rides. The compact low-key design offers shock and vibration resistance. This electric bike 3 working mode. Pedal assist mode. The motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bicycle. In this mode you can drive 60 to 90 km before you recharge. Fully electric mode. Twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the motor of the bicycle. In his mode, it has 40 to 50 km battery range. Manual mode. Pedal the bicycle normally as you would any bicycle. This electric bike uses front and rear disc brakes to ensure safe riding. Disc brakes work well whether you are going downhill at high speeds, red lights, or pedestrians in a hurry. This display provides you with all the information, while simplifying the use process to the maximum extent possible. You can select different support levels and query all driving data. It also 4.0 fat tires. Adopts front and rear shock absorption system to let you feel the warmth of summer in the summer sunshine. Number 1. Jingma R7 Folding Electric Bike. The electric bike adopts a high-strength aluminum alloy frame. This electric bike is equipped with a powerful 48-volt 800-watt brushless motor, can reach a maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. It also removable 12.8 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, equipped with smart lithium battery charger, can make you ride up to 25 to 50 km with easy charge port system. The electric folding bike can be charged on or off the frame easily. It also 3 working mode: electric mode, power assisted mode, and man power mode. It also LED 3-speed smart meter button. You can choose the electric assist power according to your needs. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. Combining 3 modes would be a better choice. It also dual hydraulic disc brakes and big rotors on both wheels that offer effective stopping power and more control when cornering or riding downhill. It also 4.0-inch wide tires, buffer and anti-pothole. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pits is stronger.